Let's look at the center section of the results page in EBSCOhost. You'll see that the keyword that you typed in is located in the top keyword box. The total number of search results retrieved is right here at the very top of the list, over 50,000 articles. Each article is numbered, and you'll see there's a hyperlink where you can find more details about the article. Underneath that, you'll find citation information, the author, where it was published, and the date. Towards the end, you'll see something that says database. That's going to tell you which collection EBSCO found it in. EBSCO is similar to a shopping mall like St. Clair Square. EBSCOhost is just the company name that houses a variety of collections that take up space in their area. So we have a subscription to EBSCO, but inside are several collections that you search. Underneath the citation information, you will see links that say HTML full text or PDF full text. This is a link to the full text article. Now, all of these articles are different types. If they're more of a magazine, you will see the label periodical in a picture right to the left. If it is a news story, you'll see that icon right there. And if it comes from an academic journal, you'll see this icon right there. To the right, you will see there are some icons that will allow you to kind of get a quick overview of the article just by hovering over the piece of paper and the magnifying glass. Or if you'd like to set some articles aside in a shopping cart, kind of like Amazon, you can click on the blue file folder and put them over here on the right. Please note that when EBSCOhost sits idle for about 20 or 30 minutes, it dumps out your shopping cart. So if it sees no movement, it thinks that you're done researching and it kind of dumps all of your information. If you want EBSCO to be able to keep things in the shopping cart, you might want to create your own unique username and password in the sign in button right here. You might also ask yourself, why is the first article number 1 out of all 50,000? And that's determined by the default sort feature. Right now the sort feature is set on relevance, so it's looking for your search word, optimism, in each one of these article descriptions and in the full text. So it seems like this one mentions the word optimism the most number of times, and it's kind of reduced as it goes to the next one. If you'd like to put your articles in date order, know that those are options that are also listed right here. The source order just allows it to alphabetize by the source where it was published. So we don't use that one so much, but the date one gets used quite a bit.